The rise of AI-driven humanoid robots is not just a futuristic concept. It's rapidly becoming a reality that could transform the way we work and live, especially when it comes to household chores and labor-intensive jobs. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these robots coming to take over your job, or just the tasks you'd rather avoid? San Jose-based startup Figure has recently captured widespread attention with its sleek, human-like robots designed to perform everyday tasks such as folding laundry and putting away groceries. Videos showcasing these robots in action have gone viral, sparking both excitement and debate about the future of automation in our homes and workplaces. In a stunning development, Figure announced it has secured over $1 billion in funding, pushing its valuation to an impressive $39 billion, surpassing well-known giants like Delta Airlines and Adidas. This massive investment reflects a growing confidence among investors that humanoid robots will soon become an integral part of daily life. Brett Adcock, Figure's founder and CEO, emphasized this vision, stating that the company is driven by a shared belief in a future where these robots seamlessly assist humans. But Figure is not alone in this race. Several American companies, including Agility Robotics, Apptronik, Boston Dynamics, and even Elon Musk's Tesla, are developing their own humanoid robots. These firms have recently called for a unified national robotics strategy, aiming to strengthen the U.S. position against China's rapid advancements in this field. China's humanoid robots made headlines earlier this year when they participated in a half marathon, though only a handful completed the race, and later competed in the World Humanoid Robot Games, which featured robot soccer and other sports. These events highlight the global competition and the high stakes involved in humanoid robotics development. Luis Sentis, a professor at the University of Texas at Austin and co-founder of Figure's competitor Apptronik, points out that this is not a fleeting trend for a single company. Instead, the entire humanoid robotics industry is buzzing with excitement and momentum, signaling a long-term shift rather than a one-off breakthrough. Supporting this optimism, a Goldman Sachs report from February 2024 projects that the global market for humanoid robots could soar to $38 billion within the next decade. Many experts wonder if the industry is on the verge of a breakthrough moment comparable to the impact ChatGPT had on AI applications. Figure's vision is ambitious: to create general-purpose humanoid robots that can take over dangerous, repetitive, or undesirable jobs, ultimately benefiting humanity. Their initial focus is on sectors facing severe labor shortages, such as manufacturing, shipping, logistics, warehousing, and retail. This approach not only addresses workforce challenges, but also raises questions about the future role of human labor. The recent funding round attracted a star-studded lineup of investors from the robotics and AI world, including NVIDIA, Intel Capital, LG Technology Ventures, Salesforce, and Qualcomm Ventures. Their involvement underscores the high stakes and broad interest in advancing humanoid robotics. However, despite the hype and investment, significant technical hurdles remain. Humanoid robots rely on a different kind of AI than the large language models powering virtual assistants like ChatGPT or Anthropic's Claude. While language models are trained on vast amounts of text data, robots must interpret complex, often imperfect sensory information from the physical world, such as visual inputs and tactile feedback. This makes data collection and processing far more challenging. Moreover, creating portable, efficient batteries to power mobile robots is an ongoing struggle, as is replicating the fine motor skills and dexterity humans perform effortlessly. These challenges slow down the pace at which humanoid robots can be deployed widely. Security is another concern. Researchers have demonstrated that AI-powered robots can be hacked or manipulated to perform harmful actions, bypassing built-in safety measures. This vulnerability raises important ethical and safety questions about deploying humanoid robots in everyday environments. Still, experts like Sentis remain optimistic. He predicts that 2025 will be the year of the hand, marking significant progress in robotic dexterity and manipulation. According to him, the barriers that once seemed insurmountable are rapidly falling, bringing humanoid robots closer to mainstream adoption. I believe humanoid robots hold incredible promise, Senta said, and today's announcement is another thrilling milestone on this journey. So what do you think? Are humanoid robots a welcome innovation that will free us from tedious and dangerous work? Or should we be wary of the implications for jobs and security? Is the race to develop these robots a positive leap forward? Or are we rushing into uncharted territory without fully understanding the risks? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.